Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well out there. I don't know, I'm kind of fired up today. We've got a lot of things going on. My son is back, and we are rolling. We got so many things going on, and we got some projects that are just going to blow you away, some ones that are coming up. But for today, we've got projects that other people have done, and I'm going to start out with one here that is absolutely amazing. You guys have seen his work before if you've been watching any of these SCOTDs. It's Fabrice Best, and he did this tiger that is absolutely just phenomenal. The guy is truly, it's a perfect example of what it's like when you're an artist and you're able to add the woodworking aspect and freehand carving to your artistry. So this guy, he did all this carving, and then he mixes his own colors. And you guys can see for yourself, it's absolutely spectacular. Great job, Fabrice, as always. So next we have Keith Davenport. We've got 4 different signs here. And the 2 on the left, he made for a local motorcycle benefit ride. The top right for a lumber yard where he works. And the bottom right was the first one after watching us 5 years ago. So you can see kind of the how he has progressed. And he's done approximately 80 signs now. Super job, Keith. Keep it up, buddy. This one is super impressive. Shane Northridge, and this is a picture of his shed, and I don't know how many pictures or how many signs are on the outside of his shed here. It's got to be 50 to 100, and you can see the guy's artistry is just unparalleled. Just beautiful stuff, Shane, as always. Love it, man. It makes me want to kind of start hanging signs up on the outside of my little studio here. Great job, buddy. Next, we have Bob Hatch. This is actually a picture of Bob, and he mixed his carving along with overlay letters. I think Vicky helped him out on some of this layout stuff, but terrific job, Bob, as always. If you guys don't know Bob, Bob is a master sign maker and sells signs and does really, really well. He's been on the channel many, many times on the Sign Carvers of the day. So, Bob, love it, man. Great job, buddy. Vandivers, terrific job on this artwork. You got the Indian motorcycle on the left and on the right, 2 different versions. I think it's phenomenal. Great job. I love the live edge one especially. Great job, Van. And here we have Jessica Gustafson, and this is her first sign. And she did this for her baby boy, who is Brody. That's the picture you see here. And he made this for Brody's teacher, or she made this for Brody's teacher. Great job, Jessica. I love it. I love that smile. Good job, Brody. Anyway, here is Bill Herring. And he made this for an ex-military and firefighter who lost his house in the Colorado fires a couple months ago. The fire department sign has pearl epoxy resin in it, which if you look real close, you can see that pearl essence in the background. And man, spectacular job. Beautiful work. And let's see, Steve Amos. So this is a coat rack. And he made out of poplar. He used a profile bit and the carving liner and then one-shot paint, which I think is really cool. That's really a neat design. I love it, Steve. Great job, buddy. I think that you could sell a lot of those. So here's a very first sign, and this is by Brian Burroughs. And this is 5.5 by 17.5. 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch letters. For a first sign, that's pretty amazing, Brian. Very, very ambitious. So you use a profile bit and the 60 degree. Great job, Brian. Love it. Anthony Roberts, a great version of our Freedom Eagle template. And did some resin on there. Well, I don't know if it's resin or just blue and red paint, but it looks terrific. Great job, Anthony. I love it. And here is a portrait Jay did. He's only been carving for 7 months, and this is a portrait of his son Romeo that unfortunately passed away a 1.5 years ago. But Jay, you did a fantastic job, buddy. I love the portraits. Just really cool. I haven't got into those, but man, that sure is a niche that you could do a lot of, and a lot of people are doing that. Terrific job, Jay. Here's another first sign from Doug Watts, and this one said he makes mistakes, but you can't learn from the recliner, which I think is kind of a cool little quote there. But and he did make some mistakes, but for your very first sign, Doug, I think you did just fine. I hope you're enjoying it, and I love the live edge cookie there. Great job. This one is really cool. Matt Bishop. He asked on this particular sign, he asked about putting a fat line around the outset pieces like I do when I do something outset. But on this particular one, I told him I didn't think it was necessary because I don't know if you can tell from the picture, but everything is painted here. There's no wood showing. The background is all painted white. So if you've got a white background and you've got all these dark colors, you certainly don't need a fat line out there to accentuate anything. But you did a great job, Matt. I love it. I just think it looks really cool. So Steve Unwin, this one is 5.5 by 12, and this is his own design. Says Secret Garden, obviously, and a lot of color artwork. Great job, Steve. And Steve is from the UK. John Arend. John's our buddy. John and Jen live in Pennsylvania. They've actually been here to visit before, and we actually went up to Las Vegas and saw him a couple weeks ago, him and Jen both. So this is, again, kind of indicative of John and the types of signs that he does. Very, very cool. I love it, and I love the edge. Great job, John. So unique. I love it. Great work. From New Zealand, this is Richie Barclay. He's been on the show many times. Richie is in New Zealand, and this is New Zealand pine, 7-inch by 37-inch. He used the profile and the carving liner and the 90. I really love the shape of the background. I think that is really unique. Great job, Richie. Very unique looking. Fred Finley, one of his very first signs. And this one obviously is live edge. I don't know what kind of wood it is. It kind of looks like cedar, but I can't tell for sure. But terrific job, Fred. I really like it. I love that board. And for a very first sign, looks good. Looks really good. Kyle Watkins, 4-inch by 36-inch wormy maple. And did a great job on this. Nice work, Kyle. Beautiful. I like the opposing grapes and the grape leaves. And this is obviously one of those signs that you could sell to anybody, any wine drinker. Could be a really nice niche. Great job. I love it, Kyle. This one is really, really cool. David Fees, this is only his third sign, 24-inch round, and he did this for a raffle for the annual ice fishing derby in his area. What a cool design. Absolutely love it. Again, that is something that you could make and, make a lot of, and would be a really cool product. Great job. And last but not least, Keith Cottle made these for his grandsons, or his grandkids, and those are really cool. I really love them. I'm sure the kids loved them. Great job, Keith. All right, that is it, guys. And what I didn't mention at the beginning, but you'll see, this is January 22nd through February 13th. So, I don't know, what's that, like 3 weeks worth. So, keep sending those pictures, guys. And so, if you guys sent me a picture between, and I'll put this in the title as well, and we'll probably put it across the thumbnail. So, if you sent me a picture between January 22nd, 2022, and February 13th, 2022, it's in this group, or it should be. If it's not, then get a hold of me, and somehow it maybe got out of order or something like that. But anyway, I'm running out of voice. Thanks again so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. We'd love it. If you have any questions, please email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com. And when you do subscribe, click that little bell icon to make sure that you get notified, because we do 4 videos a week. And we got some really cool projects. You guys will not want to miss these projects that we got coming up. We've done some really cool ones, but these pretty spectacular stuff. So we got a lot of great things planned. The weather's starting to turn nice, and I hope you guys are doing well out there, and I hope we see you soon. Don't forget to check out our website at makeawoodsign.com for all of our products and our subscriptions, premium membership, executive memberships, and a lot of you guys are taking advantage of those and getting a lot of the benefits. And so if you have questions on that, let me know. Thanks again. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.